Welcome back to the Nightcap. Tonight we will keep it short and sweet with the Black Russian. So that's going to be 2 ounces of vodka and 1 ounce of your Kahlua. So go ahead, and it's just that simple. We'll go ahead and get the Ketel One vodka tonight. And like I said, 2 ounces. So we'll go ahead and pour that here. There we go. Put that down that. And then next we'll go with Kahlua. You could use something like a Mr. Black, any type of coffee liqueur, but this one will do tonight. So again, 1 ounce. And pour that here. And let's give it a mix. Nice little stir. And that is it. She's a beaut, Clark.